Good day everyone, in this video I will show you 3 tips for this watch Casio W217H, and the first one is LCD check. To do that you need to press 3 buttons at the same time: start, stop, mode and light, like this, and we will see this LCD check screen. And to exit from this LCD check screen you can press any button, so I'm going to press this one, start, stop. The next tips is Casio check. To do that, press and hold the start stop button on the top left, like this, and you will see the word Casio on the screen. Okay, this might change the time format, so you need to press the start stop button once again. Okay, and then the next one is the alarm sound check. So first, from this timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, and now we are AL in the alarm mode, and then press and hold the start stop button on the top left, and you will hear the beeping sound like this. This also will change the setting for the alarm, so you need to press the start stop button 3 more times, 1, 2, 3, and it will return to the previous setting. And then press again the mode button to return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, done. That's all the 3 tips for this watch Casio W217H. Hopefully this video is useful. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.